My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, what's up? My name is Natalie. This is my channel, Music to Makeup. And if you are returning, what's up, fam? Good to see you. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. I have my Boxycharm Premium and my Boxyluxe. I was actually supposed to get a second Boxy Premium, but I clicked the tracking number and it's like being returned to sender, or yeah, unable to deliver package. Like, how come I can receive my other ones but that one couldn't be delivered? Like, that makes no sense to me whatsoever. So, and I just want to throw this out there. I know that the Boxy Premium is a Fenty inspired box, and from what I've seen from like sneak peeks and other people's boxes, there's probably going to be a few items in here that aren't going to be best suited on my skin tone. So there might be a giveaway at the end of the video. You might want to stick around. So yeah, if you would like to see me unbox these, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, so let's get started with the Boxy Premium. And like I said, this is a Boxy and Fenty Beauty by Rihanna inspired box. Just like it says right here. Okay, so let's get started. And yes, this is the prime example of what I was talking about. I think this is so gorgeous. Oh, this is the KILOWATT Freestyle Highlighter in Trophy White. So this retails for $36. I love this highlighter formula. Actually, that's what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing, it's like it has two different colors in it. Oh, I forget the names of them right now, but it is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. And seeing this, oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. I know I could never wear it as a highlighter. Oh, I'm like, oh, I can use it as an eyeshadow. But like, whenever I say that about things, do I ever really do that? No. So, for reasons I won't disclose right now, I'm not going to swatch it, but I think this is so gorgeous. If you have dark skin tone, oh my god, this is going to be your jam. It is going to look so gorgeous on you. Okay, the next product is this Matchsticks Shimmer Skin Stick. And so this retails for $25. This is a cream-based highlighter, and it is in the shade Blonde. So these are like magnetized. And oh my gosh. If you were to put this down first and then layer Trophy Wife over it, gorge. Gorgeous. Okay. I'm also not going to swatch this. You guys can see where I'm headed with that. Alright, the next product is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. So this retails for $29. Oh, that's it? Huh. Alright, it has 16 richly pigmented shades, serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. Oh, so I live for this packaging. It's so gorgeous. I love Rihanna everything. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's like a very beautiful packaging. Oh, I just want to swatch one. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay. Alright, so next we have this Mademoiselle, where am I? Plush Matte Lipstick. And this retails for $18, and I got this in Candy Venom. Oh my gosh, I actually have a mini one in this color, and I am obsessed with it, and it's almost empty. So I am really glad that I got another one. Oh, I love this color. It is like the most beautiful, like bright bubblegum pink. Like, yeah. Oh, this is everything. And these are like a really comfortable matte formula. I really do like it. So next we have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. So this retails for $19, and it says the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with expensive shine that feels as good as it looks. In shade Diamond Melt, a dewy highlight for your lips. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is the essential finishing touch to your Fenty face. So I do have this in like the rose one, or like the natural, I don't know, it's like a pinkish one, but I really do like this formula. And I actually have been wanting to get this one, just the like clear, oh yes, that will look so gorgeous over like any lipstick. Like I even want to put some on right now. That just gives it a nice like shimmer and like makes your lips look fuller. I'm all about that life. Okay, and the last product is this Fenty Beauty Invisim Matte Blotting Paper. So this retails for $16. Ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic, refillable mirror compact that looks like a lipstick case. Lift away shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. Okay, so it comes like this. I have to put the blotting paper in this little case, but it's cute. It has a little mirror there. And I actually do like to use blotting papers. Even though I'm dry, like I do get some excess oil around my nose. And you know who has really good blotting paper? Tatcha. Their blotting paper is everything. Ah! Why I yelled, I don't know. But I think I just broke it. Ugh, that little tear thing doesn't work very well. It was supposed to be a bigger piece than that, but... Oh yeah, that did a good job. Oh, it kind of took my makeup off though. See, that's what I really like about the Tatcha ones. They get rid of the oil, but they do not take your makeup off. Okay, so that is the Boxy Premium. So the total retail value for the Boxy Premium was $143. All right, now I'm really excited for my Boxyluxe. Okay, so the first product I see is this Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transition day to night looks. This retails for $39. So I did like see this in a sneak peek, and I was actually really excited for this. I think this is such a gorgeous palette, and seeing it in person, it's even more gorgeous than I was expecting. Like this color right here, Luxe, oh, it actually like reminds me of the Fenty highlighter. Like that's so gorgeous. And this one color, Swipe Up, it's like a pink, like duochrome color. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. So I'm really excited about that. This QMS Meta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. This is 0.50 ounces, formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance, lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Retail value $200. What? Like my lips are so dry, like it is so bad. I have to exfoliate every day, or I just have like dry skin on my lips. It's bad. So, I mean, I'll take anything to hydrate them. And if it's $200, like, you would think it has to work, right? Okay. So, the next product, oh my gosh, I just saw, I got like the shittiest choices. I'm so mad. Alright, the next products I got are this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo. So I mean, I do like this, but I already have like 2 of these. And I think I got one in Boxycharm recently, so I'm not very happy that I'm getting this in Boxyluxe. Like, so these 2 count as 1. But I still don't feel like that's like good enough to be in Boxyluxe. Alright, the next product I'm actually really excited for. I saw this on a sneak peek, and this is the Fenty Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And I got like the ugliest color. I mean, I guess the blue's pretty. I have the blue and gold, and then it comes with a little thing to sit it in. So I guess you can clean your face with this side, and then this side can be used to like help like blend in like serums or moisturizers to help it like absorb more effectively. And did I say this retails for $99? Alright, the next product I got is this NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. This retails for $25, and I got the color You're No Good. I don't know what color that is. I'm thinking that's a pink. Yeah, that's like kind of a, that's actually kind of similar to like the Mademoiselle. Like it's a very like deep, rich pink. Okay, $25. The next product I got is, that's a really, really pretty color though. Oh, let's see. Ooh, that is a really nice color. That's just like the perfect nude. Oh, I'm always in search for like the perfect nude lip liner. Oh, this is an eyeliner. No, wait, what? It says eyeliner, but I would so use that as a lip liner. Yeah. Oh wait, no, that I'm reading the wrong thing completely. Okay, this is the Appeal Cosmetics Gel Liner. This extremely long-wearing, waterproof formula glides onto lips or eyes. Okay, so this retails for $21. Well then what's the other one? Why would they send me like 2 eyeliners in Boxyluxe? Oh! So this is the Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo. So there's 2 different colors in here. Raven, which is a black, Pearl, which is like a beige. And you know what? I just got a set of like 3 eyeliners from Boxycharm like not too long ago. So this is really, I'm not happy with this variation at all. Variation 17, you suck. And the last product, like this is ridiculous. This Invisibobble, the original traceless hair ring. Yeah, I have these, I like them, but the retail value is $8. Is that really a Boxyluxe item? For real. I mean, this is gonna be a high like retail value because of that lip line corrector and that cleansing device, but I'm just not, I mean, I'm excited for the lip line corrector, the palette, the cleansing device, the lip pigment, and then that lip liner thing. Let me see how much this is worth. I still, compared to the other variations, like this was the crappiest variation, no doubt. I mean, the retail value is $447. I mean, am I being like too picky? I guess I'm just like jealous of the people that got better variations when we all pay the same price. You know what I'm saying? Am I rational or am I over exaggerating? Let me know. Okay, so I am going to be doing a giveaway. I am going to be giving away first the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Trophy Wife, which I showed you that beautiful gold. I will show you one more time. And then I'm also going to be giving away the shimmer stick in Blondie, which is also like the exact same gold. Like, oh, that's gonna look so amazing together. And I'm also going to include the Bum Bum and Coco Cabana cream. I'm going to include this these $40 eyeliner. Oh, well, you get two, so 20 each. This eyeshadow or eyeliner duo. And I'm going to throw in one of my brush cleaners. And oh my gosh, isn't this so cute? And the scent is Grapefruit Glow. Oh, this is what I'm using right now, and I am in love with it. Okay, so to be entered in the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at NatRoseMusicToMakeup and tag one of your friends. And leave a comment down below letting me know which product out of the giveaway prizes you're most excited to get if you win. And I will leave all the specific YouTube rules and regulations down in the description box. And I will announce the winner in 2 weeks. So I will reply to you in the comments here in this video, and then I will also contact you through Instagram. So yes, be sure to follow me on there as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and good luck to all. I love you guys. I will see you next time.